This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace belt on RAV4 Easy Guide. Begin by parking on level ground, cutting power at the battery, and letting the engine cool fully before touching components. Remove the engine cover if present, locate the belt routing diagram, and inspect pulleys for damage. Loosen the tensioner, slip off the old belt, and route the new belt following the diagram precisely to ensure proper alignment and tension. Relax and take your time as you remove the old belt, working safely and methodically. Use a wrench on the tensioner to relieve spring pressure and slide the belt off each pulley carefully. Keep track of bolt locations and clips so reassembly is smooth later. Check each pulley by spinning it by hand to feel for roughness or play, and replace any worn components to prevent premature failure after installing the new belt. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy automotive how-tos. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I keep a little Trees black ice in my car for a fresh scent after greasy hands, and it makes the shop ride more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals where available, and if that helped you, drop a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. Installing the new belt is straightforward when you follow the routing diagram and maintain patience. Rotate the tensioner with a suitable tool, slip the belt onto the last pulley, then slowly release the tensioner so it takes up slack. Verify belt alignment across all pulleys and ensure the belt sits fully in each groove. Reconnect any covers and the battery, then start the engine for a quick test while listening for unusual noises or slipping signs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.